morning students. In this video, we'll learn parts of speech. It's a category to which a word is assigned in accordance with its syntactic function. Syntactic function means a grammatical relationship of a word to the another word. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition and interjection. First of all, we'll see noun. Noun is the name of person, place or thing. There are different types of noun. Countable noun, which can be counted. For example, table, chair. Uncountable noun cannot be counted. Milk, sugar, these are the example. Proper noun, it begins with capital letter and these are the proper names of person, place or thing. For example, Sakshi, Adarsh, Akola, India, Birla, Dal Lake. These are the particular names of girl, boy, city, country, a company and a lake. Common noun, person or thing of the same class or kind. For example, Puja, Bhakti, Sakshi, Kshama. The common name for these girls are girl, and the other examples are boy, student, city. Collective noun, number of person or thing taken together or spoken as one whole is called collective noun. If we are talking about many soldiers, the collective noun for them is army, and the other examples are crowd, family, etc. Abstract noun, name of quality, action or state. For example, kindness is the name of quality, laughter is the name of action, or childhood is the name of a state of human being. Material noun, these are the proper noun for some things. For example, wood, copper, stone, brick, these are the material, and these are the examples of material noun. Now we'll see pronoun, a word which is used instead of noun. यदि हम अवॉइड करते हैं किसी नाम को बार बार इस्तेमाल करने से, तो उसके जगह पे जो शब्द का इस्तेमाल होता है उसे प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. देर आर 8 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन. पर्सनल प्रोनाउन फॉर स्पीकर हिमसेल्फ, I, we, he, she, you, me, my, him, his, they. These are the example of personal pronoun. Reflexive pronoun, action turns upon the subject. Such types of words are called reflexive pronoun. I hurt myself. Here, hurting is the action, turns upon the subject I. So, myself is the reflexive pronoun. Emphatic pronoun, for the sake of emphasize. Here also the same example, himself, myself, themselves. But the difference is that emphasize is given. He himself said so. So whatever is said, he himself is responsible for that. So this is emphatic pronoun. How can we recognize reflexive and emphatic pronoun? It depends upon their places and the meaning of the sentence. Demonstrative pronoun, to point out object. For example, these, that, these, those. This is my pen. These are my books. So these, that, these, those are the demonstrative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun, refer to person or thing in general. Somebody, anybody, no one, something. These are indefinite pronoun. Distributive pronoun, person or things one at a time. Each, either of, neither of. These are the example of distributive pronoun. Relative pronoun, it relates the subject. Who, which, that. These are the example of relative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun are those which are used for asking a question. Who goes there? Here who is the interrogative pronoun because it is used to ask a question. Exclamatory pronoun, what and how. How beautiful it is. This is exclamatory sentence. So how is the exclamatory pronoun? Now we'll see the examples of pronoun. Types of pronoun we have just seen. Now here are the examples. Personal pronoun. He loves his dog. Here he is the personal pronoun. The horse hurt itself. Itself is the reflective pronoun. You yourself can explain. Here yourself is the emphatic pronoun. These pens are yours. Here these is the demonstrative pronoun. Many of them were Indian. Many is the indefinite pronoun. Each of the boys gets a prize. Each distributive pronoun. I have found the pen which I had lost. Here which is the relative pronoun. Who wrote the score? Who is the interrogative pronoun. What a foolish man he is. What is the exclamatory pronoun. Now rest of the parts of speeches we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time.